So after we've now been down to the site and we've taken a couple of measurements, we can check the sizes of things. So I'm just going to check the column here and the sign. So I know that sign was 6 meters and the columns were 440. So I'm going to use that. Well, let's just use the sign along here. So I can measure from that point to that point and then type in actually how much I want it to be. So I'm going to type in 6,000 and it will ask, do you want to resize the model? Yes. So now if I come back and measure that, it's going to be 6,000, and if I measure it down here, 410. So that's pretty close for us. If I come back up here into the layers and turn on Google Earth, we can see we're a bit out of skew. So what I'm going to do is Apple all and then rotate, hold down Shift on the blue axis there, come up to around there, click along there and rotate that around. So even though we're not quite matching up with the existing, that's fine. We could probably move that along a bit to move somewhere and around, something like that, and just check that we're in the right place. So I should have imported the base map in first, but it shouldn't have scaled, so we'll be pretty close. But what that now has done is the blue line is north, and we can turn that back off and zoom in a bit, orbit. We can play with the lighting, so if we go window and shadows, and we can extend that down, so lighting shadows, so we can, it knows that we're in Wellington because we pulled that map. We can adjust those, use sun for shading, and now you can see if I adjust the time of day, what parts are in shadow or not, or the time of year, so you can really start to get a sense of the light coming in. Okay.